Guys, let's get real for a second. You have got your strategy, you've got a solid strategy, you've done your research about fundamentals. You think you have all the information you need to start trading and make lots of profits, but that isn't true because you forgot one thing, and that one thing is risk management. And I talked about this in the previous video. I was going to explain it at the end of that video, but I forgot. So I'm now making a new video about this where I will explain everything in detail and you will understand literally everything about risk management. So keep watching till the end and you will be ready to start trading. Imagine you found a great stock in a solid company, it's profitable, okay? So you go all in. You're so confident, you put all your money in, you think this trade is going to be a banger, you're going to make a lot of money. So you put all your money in and boom, suddenly the market crashes. Your money is worth nothing anymore, okay? This was not because it was a bad idea. It was because you didn't manage your risk. So what could you have done better in this case? Well, next time you need a solid risk management strategy. And that's what you forgot. It's the same with businesses. If you start a business, let's say for example in this case, let's say that you start a cafe, okay? A cafe at a great location, at a great location, everything is going perfect, right? But then suddenly your supplier gets broke, or even worse, fire can break out in the cafe, okay? And without a backup plan or insurance, in this case you're dead, okay? The cafe is broke. You can forget it, okay? It's done. And again, this is not about the idea, because the idea was great. You wanted to start a business, you want to start a cafe, let's make money, right? That was the spirit. But you didn't thought about what if things go wrong, okay? And that is why risk management is so important again. So what exactly is risk management? Well, risk management is just simply thinking ahead of you. What could go wrong, for example? How bad would it be? What can I do about it now before it happens? And it's not a complicated thing, okay? It's stuff like not putting all your money at one place, getting insurance, having a little saved for emergencies, setting limits when you're trading, for example. And if we dive a bit more into trading, risk management is using stop losses, is knowing your position size, is not revenge trading after a loss. So here's the deal, guys. You will have losses, it's normal. Even pro traders have losses, okay? But they survive because they have a good risk management plan. And in that way, for example, they risk like 1 or 2% of their accounts. And in that way, their accounts don't get blown up in one trade, okay? So let's say, guys, you have a 5K account, okay? You risk 2% per trade, okay? Meaning that $100 is what you're willing to lose. Imagine the trade goes wrong, you lose $100. But if you use, for example, a 1 to 3 risk to reward, you can win $300 and lose $100, okay? So remember, guys, trading isn't about being right all the time. It's about surviving long enough for your edge to play out, okay? No risk management means no account. Simple as that. So guys, let's dive more in the subject of trading. If you want to survive in trading, guys, stop thinking about I want to make money, I want a lot of money, I want to be rich. No, you need to start thinking and focusing on how much you're willing to lose, okay? So for example, what can you do if you want to start improving your risk management, okay? You can, for example, take one trade a day, or journal your trades, okay? Or avoiding trades when it's big news, for example, or focusing on a few pairs, okay? So in trading, discipline beats excitement, and manage your risk or the market will do it for you, okay? That's a sentence that is really important. I wrote it down in my journal because it's literally so important. I will repeat it for you guys. In trading, discipline beats excitement. Manage your risk or the market will do it for you. Guys, let's be honest with yourself. If you were watching this video and thinking from, yeah, damn, I trade like this. Well, guys, I've built a course for you guys, a course that helped me become funded. In this course, I will teach you how to journal your trades so that you can avoid making the same mistakes again, how to protect your capital the best, everything around mindset and the risk plan that you really need to have before becoming a profitable trader. Okay, so guys, we're now at the end of the video. You've seen what's missing in your trading career. You can keep guessing or start trading with intention. Okay, my link is below in the description. It doesn't take time to take a look. Guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, leave a like. If you don't like the video, leave a dislike, but write down in the description why you dislike the video, and I will see you in the next video.